Hello everyone, my name is Diego Perant and I'm gonna tell you how my experience was with spent with us during my software internship here at UCID. I'm gonna tell you some challenges I experienced, how I addressed them, and especially the learning process I had. So let's dive right into it. First of all, I am a mechatronics engineer and I did a software internship, as I mentioned. So that was completely a new area for me. That was difficult and challenging, and that's exactly what I took. What I did, I took a challenge on getting to know a new area and get hands-on with app development, which hasn't been any near or close to what I've done before. So that was pretty complicated. Um, what I did was before coming here and during my stay here at UCID, I did some research on app development and things I could get good at, so that whenever I had the chance to solve something, develop something, I would have some knowledge already in mind, so that it wouldn't take that much time, even though it did took a lot of time to develop new stuff on the app. But yeah, that's basically what I did. Plan some study those topics, and then apply them later on. Another thing that was very complicated was getting to know the code, how it was built. Um, yeah, that's very complicated because it's a big project. Um, Getting familiarized with something you didn't do, you didn't create, you didn't build. Um, the structure, the design, everything you need to understand completely to be able to make new changes, to get to know, uh, not use twice the memory you could use. That's, yeah, some engineering and computer stuff, but getting to know that and knowing how to solve projects and some stuff inside the project, and it's very complicated. And how I solved that and how I took that challenge was map out the completely map completely the structure of the project, and then going step by step to get to know as I can, the most I can. And yeah, basically that's what I did, go step by step. Another challenge was the debugging phase. That was pretty complicated. As I said before, the you need to know how it was built, the structure, the design, how it was programmed, the style, everything you need to know to be able to solve the problems inside. So it was pretty challenging, but mostly it was time consuming, and I had to take some time from school to do this, or from this to do school. So it was kind of challenging. Also, my time management, it was very helpful. So how I solved this was, as I did before, go step by step, and then getting to understand as much as I could to solve one, and then basically solve the first error, and then from then go on. Because if you go and do five at a time, you're not gonna solve anything. And yeah, so you gotta go by one by one, and from top to bottom. So what I learned during this internship, which was a lot and very helpful to my career as well, um, I couldn't apply some of the things I could have applied by learning before, but that's those things I learned during the units of study I took here. So it was pretty complicated to do so. What I'm gonna take home mostly is troubleshooting, and yeah, basically those troubleshooting skills I'm gonna take home are amazing and very helpful for my career as well. Very keen eye to spotting very small mistakes, or not mistakes, but yeah, a very keen eye for software, which is pretty good. I'm taking that as well, and also to know how an app is built, structured, designed to be fully functional. So I'm very helpful, very thankful for the challenge I took, and yeah, for everyone that made this possible. Thank you very much. Cheers.